2012 Nissan Sentra, base model, engine side 2.0. I have a clunking noise both the left and the right. The issue is the brake caliper bolt is not holding securely into the glide pin. Okay, so I got the clunking noise both left and the right. All the suspension up front is brand new, the left and the right. Okay, so this is the noise I'm getting. Clunking noise in the brake caliper. Okay, so if you got a clunking noise, you always want to check your brake caliper bolt and your brake bracket bolt, because that could be loose and it could cause a clunking noise. Okay, any bolts that are loose could cause a clunking noise. All right, so this was an easy diagnostic. So I'm going to replace both left and the right caliper bolts. I got two. Kit comes with everything you need. Got from O'Reilly. Comes with everything. Comes with the two glide pins, the bolt, the locking washer, and the rubber for vibration purpose. Okay? It's very important to put this rubber on. It helps with the vibration. Okay? Now I'm gonna lube the glide pins up with ceramic grease. It's very important to lube them glide pins up. Alright? Because you want it in and out. In and out. Alright? So you got any questions with clunking noise up front on any vehicle? Let me know. Later.